The good thing about this Moderna is that it actually was going sideways for almost 6 months, below
Right,
that 190, 189
right,
area. And
right.
then it built a couple, a base and then another little base. Now, when you're seeing action like this is, I would probably take some of this. I mean, I wouldn't take it all out, but I would take some of it to sell. I mean, the stock's up another 8%, 25 points. And so how far is that? It's gone from 240
Hmm.
to 340. So what is that? A 40% gain in a matter of
Let's
five
see.
5 days?
Yeah, well,
Yeah, let's take a look at it on the daily.
yeah, sure. And I want to go back to weekly because, we did look
Okay.
at that analysis on a weekly basis, but for 5 days in a row, from this close at 235, then it's basically about 44%.
Yeah. When you get something like that, I mean, there's two things. You can sell a little bit. I wouldn't just sell the whole thing, but you start piecing it out. That's one way you can do it. The other thing you can do is you wait until you do get a day where the stock trades higher and closes lower, seeing it starting to stall.
Hmm.
Um, so that's another way. But like the one thing is that you're never going to sell at the exact top. I've always said if you can sell within 10% of a stock, especially a stock doing like this, you are doing an unbelievable job. You don't have to put so much pressure on yourself to be so precise, but just kind of do it gradually, and you'll still do extremely well if you've held this stock. I mean, even for the last 5 days, you're doing extremely well. So um, that's the way I piece it out.
Well,
I want Chris and Ken to chime in here, but I want to just add on a little piggyback to what David you said about looking for that reversal, looking for that down day. Look at this reversal right here, heavy volume, huge volume on 12-1, and it was close to, well, that was the top here, and then started a new base. And then you see over here too, this was like kind of stalling action where it had a 35% closing range. Chris.
yeah. Actually, yesterday, Justin owns this. He held it after we put it on Swing Trader, and so I was saying, yeah, Justin, you might want to take some profits. And I don't know what he did, but again, it's up even more. So I would be saying the same thing today because it's now
Mhm.
30% above
Just
the
trimmed a little bit, but I still have the majority of my position.
okay, good. Yeah, 30% above the 10-day moving average. That's unsustainable. Although we saw things go up even further, but to David's point, you're not going to top ticket, but if you're in the neighborhood, at
Mhm.
least taking something off so you'll be able to withstand that pullback because it's likely to come back down to the 21-day moving average. So how far is that? So 36%. Do you want to give up 36% right now? Maybe take off a
Mm.
third, a quarter, something like that.
Hey everyone, thanks so much for watching Investors Business Daily on YouTube. If you want to watch more videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss a thing.